What you're looking at is a fully managed PostgreSQL database on Oracle Cloud, and it's being queried live, right here in a browser. This is the database itself. Oracle runs it for you, the patching, the backups, the storage. But look at the networking. It sits in a private subnet, with no public endpoint at all. So it only has a private address, unreachable from the open internet. You can't point your laptop straight at it, but you can reach pgweb. The way it works is simple. A private managed Postgres and a small public jump box running pgweb. The browser client from a moment ago, wired together so the one can reach the other. Let's walk through how it fits together. The whole setup runs inside a single Oracle Cloud region in one virtual cloud network. Let's walk through it piece by piece. It all sits inside one VCN, a virtual cloud network. That network is split into two tiers, a public subnet and a private subnet. The public subnet is the only part exposed to the internet. An internet gateway gives it a route out, and the pgweb VM gets a public IP, so you can open it in a browser. This is your way in. The private subnet is where the database lives, and it has no public IP at all. Its only route out is through a NAT gateway, outbound only, so Oracle can pull patches and ship backups while nothing on the internet can reach in. So how does anything actually talk to the database? There's just one path. The pgweb VM reaches across the subnet boundary to the database on port 5432 over its private address, the connection you saw work at the very start. And that one path is locked down by security lists. Port 5432 on the database accepts traffic only from the VM subnet and nowhere else. The VM itself only opens ports 80 and 22. Nothing is exposed that doesn't need to be. The whole project lives in one GitHub repo, linked in the description. Clone it, and you've got everything you need to build this yourself. Before anything builds, check env, make sure you're ready, that the OCI, CLI, Terraform, and JQ are installed, and that your credentials actually connect to Oracle Cloud. Then it's a single command, apply. Terraform stands up the whole stack, the network, the pgweb VM, and the managed PostgreSQL database. The database is the slow part. It sits in creating for 10 to 20 minutes while Oracle provisions the storage and compute behind it. When it finishes, get password pulls the generated credentials out of the Terraform state, the Postgres admin password, and the login for the VM. And validate confirms everything's live. It waits for pgweb to answer, then prints the URL you'll open in your browser. That's the entire deployment. One command, start to finish. To actually use the database, open the URL the validate script printed. That lands you on pgweb, a lightweight browser-based client running right on the VM. Point it at the database's private address on 5432, enter the Postgres password from getPassword, and connect. And you're in. There's the Pagila sample database already loaded on first boot, 1,000 films plus actors, categories, and rentals across 21 tables. Now some real SQL. This joins every film to its actors, and there's the full cast for each title, coming straight out of the database. Then something fancier, collapse each film's entire cast into one row with an aggregate. So that's the whole build, a fully managed private PostgreSQL on OCI, a pgweb jump box for browser access, and a two-tier network wiring them together, all defined in Terraform. Clone the repo, and you can stand up the same stack yourself. And when you're done, one command tears the whole stack back down, every resource Terraform built.